you done? And I said, I will. He goes, yeah, when the video's over, give me a shout. And I said, oh, it ain't a video, brother. I'm watching this, The Boss at the Bridgestone Arena. And you know, when you get mad at somebody and you want to yell at them on an iPhone, you can make it all caps. You tap on that arrow and it makes it caps, and that means I'm yelling at you. And he wrote back and he said, turn your damn phone off and pray for Jungleland. And when I read Pray for Jungleland on that text, first thing I turned my phone off, and second, I could not wait to pick up a guitar the next day so that I could write this song about that experience. 18 felt like love. Me and David couldn't get enough. Something in us was opening up for the first time. I kissed those lips that taste like smoke at every light on Terry Road. Yes meant yes and no meant no, but she never said no. I smelled like Daddy's old spice. She looked just like paradise. When you're living on the edge of your seat and you're waiting on something, anything to happen. Her in those tight jeans, wearing out the Dairy Queen, waiting on Springsteen, stereo blasting. Too much left to understand. It's all Friday night, world on fire, desiring of your hands, and pray for Jungleland. Summer came and summer went, summer like that'll leave a dent. You can't buy back your innocence. If you could, you probably wouldn't take it. But you learn from where you've been. Some songs take you there again. When you're living on the edge of your seat and you're waiting on something, anything to happen. Her in those tight jeans, wearing out the Dairy Queen, waiting on Springsteen, stereo blasting. Too much match to understand. It's all Friday night, world on fire, desiring of your hands, pray for Jungleland. You pray for Jungleland. Oh. Her in those tight jeans, wearing out the Dairy Queen, waiting on Springsteen, stereo blasting. Too much mess to understand. listen. When you're that young, you do what you can. When you can, you pray for your